Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my bike check. Um, just gonna go ahead and start naming off the parts. Starting off with the front end, I have a Flybikes rim laced with Primo spokes to a profile front hub. Um, I have a premium refuse resist 2.25 tire, and this is reflective Sunday sticker. They're nitrous forks. These cars right here, I use them as my hub guard. I don't have my peg on right now, but I think they just look pretty cool, and it's a lot cheaper than just buying a hub guard. This is a Verde frame. I'm not sure exactly which model it is. I have a S&M Redneck XLT stem with fits, sky-high bars, Duo grips. These are pretty good. I have a stock Duo bar end that comes with the grips. These are ODI grip locks. They're just to keep your grips in place so they don't slide back and forth. I have stock fit cranks. These used to be black, but I polished them. And I have Primo pedals with Haro conversion kit, 25 tooth sprocket, and you can't really see it, but it's a Primo bottom bracket with a Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. And in the back I have a Haro conversion kit red back rim. It's really not the best rim to have, but it's really strong, durable. Got a 9-tooth driver on there with a Demolition Momentum tire. This is a 2.35. I also have a Sabrosa kickback seat post, but I cut it down so I could wedge it all the way down. And this is a stock kink seat. They're pivotal with integrated seat post clamp. And that's about it. Thanks for watching my back check.